I'm here to show you how you can quickly create a clone of, say, Instagram app or any app that you want, or even generate front end or back end. I'm going to use bold.new, which lets you do this. So I'll give a simple prompt. Help me build the front end for Instagram application. Let's say, yeah, application is fine. And front end, and that's it. Now, once I give the prompt, it'll get to work and start generating code. It may take a few seconds, but then you will see the magic happen. And like you can see, it has started to generate the files uh, and generating components like header, stories, and this is basically React stuff. Or for those who are familiar with Next.js, it's like same thing. So it's generating all the components, especially the front end part. And like you can see, I'm not doing anything actually. I'm just letting it create the app, build the app. And the magic is once it's done, then it will show you the Instagram thing in a running state. And you can see it has given you a summary of what it did. So it says I've created a modern Instagram clone with the following features: responsive header, stories action, and let's see this because this is live. So you have this, and I think it's pretty much like Instagram, right? So you have this section, you have home, you have profile, and images. Isn't this amazing? And then you can further give it subsequent prompts to enhance this app or build the backend. So it's amazing actually, and you can build pretty much anything using this. So go ahead and give it a shot.